Hey up.
Hey up guys, this is different. Where are we? We're in IKEA. It's me! Ah! Bit of me. Yeah, so we're in IKEA. Why? Joe broke his desk, so we'll come to spend a lot of money on a fancy new one. Yeah? Sounds good. Shall we crack on? Let's go find a desk. Ooh, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Right, fun bit time. Get that box into that car. Yeah, we don't pay for delivery. Not at 35 quid we don't. Wish me luck. Oh god. So, one. Tick. That. There. I think it's safe to drive. If you don't hear from me again, then it turns out it wasn't. Let's do it again. That's very tiring. Can you tell? I'm unfit. Powered by Pepsi Max Cherry. You can't see it. Not sponsored. Round two, fight. Box two, piece of piss. It just slid right in where the other one was. So let's not die. There you go. Shaky cam. There's a product code. 502-190-44. Let's drive home. Thankfully Mrs. Joe isn't here because let's just say her headroom is a bit compromised. She's at home being best mod with baby JoeR247. So yeah, let's return trolley, return home, and realise we're missing some pieces. Good. The Clio scores bonus points because the parcel shelf still fits. So if I shut the boot, you can't tell there's a box in there, can you? Baby not on board, false advertising. Is the boot shut? I don't think it is. Now it is. Bye. I'm good at this logging out. Okay, home. First challenge. That. And all of those. Yeah, second floor problems. More importantly, we're in there, and the sky's falling. Boy's getting wet. And very tired. I'm so unfit. Okay, let's go. So this is the current desk. You may recognise it from the stream. Good poster and license plate, genuine. And chair, not sponsored. Yeah, desk. It's old, it's buggered, it's small, and as you can tell, very cramped. I say broken. Let's roll out the mouse and keyboard tray, and oh, it shouldn't do that. It's gonna be wrong. One-handed. Can I put it back together? Oh look, it's fine. There's nothing actually wrong with it. Joe just bought a new one because, yeah. Oh. Right. The fun bit now. Dismantle this thing. Fact of the day spoilers. There you go. It's possible to walk to any point in a pentagon in 7 minutes. Spoilers. Let's dismantle it. Please note the time, 6:22. Yeah, it's gonna be a long build. Wish me luck. So this is a sad sight. Yeah. Where's the streaming deck gone? Where's everything gone? There used to be stuff in there, cool stuff. It's I found it. It's on baby house changing table. Oh, and on the chair. Turns out I have a lot of stuff. It takes a lot of stuff to stream to a JoeR247 standard. Yeah, let's get this dismantled. Okay, so as you can see, there was a desk there. It's gone. We should probably crack open those boxes and, you know, fill that space up and rebuild my rig. Because I need to stream tomorrow, apparently. I can't do it right now. Let's see how long this takes.
3 hours later.
So, status update. We have the frame. We just need, you know, somewhere for a desk to go, for screens and stuff. We have a shelf. We have 2 shelves. PC will go on there soon. Yeah. Not long to go. I hope. It's getting late. Yeah. Good. I'll see you in a bit.
1 eternity later.
Right. Update. It's done. The desk. Ta-da. Yeah. It took a while. We had some slight complications. If you can see the screen, a bit dark. You can't really see it. It's on an arm. The old arm was too tall for, you can see, the shelves. So we had to go on Amazon late night Saturday and Sunday. The new monitor stands arrived. So hooray, good. And then to complete the look, we now have a fancy RGB long mouse mat or keyboard mat. Mouse and keyboard, desktop mat, I don't know. But yeah, it fits in very well. We have a lot of RGB. Funky keyboard by Cooler Master. The mouse mat changes colours. The mouse itself. The SteelSeries headphones, RGB. And last but not least, where the case lives. Do you recognise any stickers? Do you see yours? It's dark down here, so yeah. There's the lovely cable management and foot pedal for muting the microphone. And yeah, that's the desk. And all the lovely crap on the top, which used to be on the actual desk itself, taking up all the space. So yeah, all in all, IKEA desk, very happy, very large. Ignore all the crap, I need to tidy up. There's all my crap. Good. Trouble is, that poster now is no longer in display of the webcam. So I'm going to have to figure out either get rid of it, keep it, or budge it up a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But yeah, there we go guys. That is the desk in place. Very happy. Very happy. Another shelf as well full of crap which I need to sort out. Lovely. On that note, we're done. 10 out of 10, would recommend the IKEA Fredde desk. Finish on some lovely RGB keyboard. Lovely. Yeah. Hey up.